Alright, today's Transformers action figure review. I'm doing the G1 Crosshairs. As you see, he's in a well played with condition. Some paint chips, scratches right here on his windshield. Loose back wheels, look at that. Whoa! So, sticker wear, very prominent on him. Yeah, loose back wheels, and even his little Targetmaster guy, which I don't recall the name of at the moment. Got him. So and this is his Targetmaster Pinpointer. I look at my handy reference guide here. It's Pinpointer. This transformation is very simple from gun to robot. You just fold him in half. And he's got the peg. Peg's on top of the vehicle. Blam blam. Alright, then we'll do back transform. Woohoo! Alright. Now to transform crosshairs, well, I guess we'll fold in his wheels since they do it automatically because they're so floppy. You just take his legs and extend them. Fold his feet. And look, the legs are done. Take his arms. Let me raise the camera just a little bit. Take his arms, unhook him from his front of the vehicle mode. Get his hands out. And arms are done. And just get the head, you just grab this piece, pull it back. Usually the head pops up, but we'll get it up. Boom! There it is. And the only thing about his floppy little wheels is they just flop around. And there you go. Look at Crosshair's all white face. You can see the play wear on his chest, on his windshield. I mean, he's a good figure. The articulation in all the G1s is always usually pretty limited. You can, it's really, oh, you're gonna get all that. No, that's just, head doesn't turn at all. It's just up and down. Legs, there's no swivel, there's no nothing. The legs can just do that. Ooh, I'm a ghost. Alright, so that's really all you can do with him. And you just take his little Pinpointer, his Targetmaster friend, you just transform him back, and you pop him in his hand. Alright. He's transformed back to his gun mode. To get him back to car mode is very simple. Just push his head in. Push can. See how it's gonna pop out. Fold that down. Fold his hands in. Back into his forearms. And then you push his arms back up. Then you come this way. Fold his feet down. And take his legs. And boom. And pull his wheels back out. And you're done. You are done. Yeah, it is Crosshairs. Apparently he's supposed to be like an armored vehicle. And then you just take his little Targetmaster guy and pop him back in. And he's got these little peg holes on his legs. I've never tried that, but I don't know if they'll fit. No. Maybe in robot mode because the wheels get in the way. Yeah. Nah. This is there for the screws. That is Crosshairs. G1 Targetmaster Crosshairs along with Pinpointer. When I was a kid, he stood in for Ultra Magnus for me. Because I was always so tired of taking Ultra Magnus and having to transform him and do all the little add-on pieces. I just used him. And that's why he's so floppy. I always liked Ultra Magnus as a kid, just didn't like doing all the parts forming on them. Oh, that's G1 crosshairs.